Hello, Jason here, and in today's video I'm going to talk about septic tank conversion. So what is septic tank conversion and why would you need to convert your septic tank? So let me answer the first question first, right? So what is septic tank conversion? Well, basically a septic tank converter will make your septic tank legal. So that's it. That's the simple answer to the first question. What is a septic tank converter? Well, a septic tank converter will make your septic tank legal. Why will it make your septic tank legal? Because every septic tank installed before 2015 now needs an MOT certificate. So that's the upshot, really. All the rules and regulations changed about a year ago in the UK, and it's as simple as that now. If your septic tank was installed before 2015, it needs an MOT certificate. Okay, if you haven't got an MOT certificate, then you've got two options, right? You can, option one, you can get a company in to replace or install a new septic tank and soak away. Now that's soak away. Now that typically will cost you anywhere in the region from £10,000 to £15,000. Option two, right, is to get yourself a septic tank converter, right? Either of these ways will give you an MOT certificate. It's just a septic tank converter will save you £12,000 and make your existing septic tank legal without having to go down the route of replacing your system. So I suppose the last question to ask, we've looked at what, we've looked at why, so how does a septic tank converter work? So let me put here, so number 3, how does it work? And that's a very good question. Well, I'm going to give you a very good answer, right? So here is a pipe leading from your house. So this is your existing septic tank here, okay? And so this is your septic tank installed before 2015. Okay, there you go. So it's full up with poo, wee, all kind of horrible stuff. Septic tank converter is a little black box that goes on the outlet pipe side of the septic tank. There it is, like so. And basically this little black box, which is approved by building regs and the Environmental Agency and the UK government, basically converts all the horrible muck and rubbish and debris in your septic tank. It goes through this little converter and it converts it into safe, clean mineral water, which can go straight into the soil, can go into a ditch, can go into a river, can go into a stream. And so this particular little black box is called an ecosystem septic tank converter. Now they call it an ecosystem is because they don't run on electricity. They they're like an organic lung. They suck in CO2, they put out oxygen. There's no carbon footprint with these. And inside there's loads of organic enzymes and bacteria. And as I said, it just converts all the horrible, pooey, smelly stuff into safe, clean mineral water. These things don't need servicing. They never break down. They're amazing. They're a German company that invented these. And, you know, they've taken Europe by storm. So that's basically how it works. And they've been made for the DIY market. So that means you or your builder can literally get them in, man alive, within 2 or 3 hours. So how much do they cost? Well, if you consider that it costs 10 to 15,000 quid to put a new system in, these, right, are £11,000 cheaper, right? £11,000 cheaper than replacing your system. They actually only cost $2,999, I think, plus the VAT, and they're amazing. So if you get 5 minutes, go and this is my tip of the week, tip of the day, tip of the year, tip of the month, whatever day or century or year we're in. This tip is the best tip that you could, if you're a septic tank owner, you could possibly get, right? Go onto Google and just type in ecosystem septic tank converter, do some research on them. When would you need to put a septic tank converter in? Well, if you're coming to sell your house, if you're buying a house that's got a septic tank that was installed before 2015, you just won't be able to buy it or sell it unless they or you replace your system to get that new MOT certificate, or put this septic tank converter in, which then gives you that MOT certificate as is now required by law. So there you go. Listen, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. If you'd like to see more free videos, more free tips, then just go to septictank.co.uk or Septic Tank TV. And if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Septic Tank TV, you'll be in with a chance, right, to win a free septic tank converter. So listen, you take care, you stay safe, and I'll speak to you soon. For more information, just click the link below this video or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.